Theta value kind of equivalent to $0.6235 a coin, which generally is genuinely huge. The present exchanged cost range. 0.6193 0.6272 in a kind of enormous manner. The earlier day close. 0.6235 in an unobtrusive way. The change certainly was 0.0000% in an unobtrusive way. Reverse rate. United States dollars to Theta, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Theta cost expectation on Monday, October 9. Cost $0.63, fundamentally greatest 0.67, exceptionally least 0.59, which generally is very critical. Theta figure on Tuesday, October 10. Cost $0.62, exceptionally most extreme 0.66, especially least 0.58, or so they truly thought. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, October 11. Cost $0.61, greatest 0.65, least 0.57 in an especially significant way. Theta estimate on Thursday, October 12. Cost $0.61, most certainly greatest 0.65, kind of least 0.57 in an unpretentious way. Theta cost expectation on Friday, October 13. Cost $0.57, most extreme 0.61, really least 0.53 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week Theta figure on Monday, October 16. Cost $0.59, especially most extreme 0.63, in every practical sense, least 0.55, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, October 17. Cost $0.59, really greatest 0.63, least 0.55 in an unobtrusive way. Theta estimate on Wednesday, October 18. Cost $0.59, genuinely greatest 0.63, kind of least 0.55 in a truly significant manner. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, October 19. Cost $0.60, lovely greatest 0.64, essentially least 0.56, which certainly is very huge. Theta figure on Friday, October 20. Cost $0.59, extremely greatest 0.63, in every practical sense, least 0.55, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday, October 23. Cost $0.59, extremely greatest 0.63, by and large least 0.55. Theta figure on Tuesday, October 24. Cost $0.60, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.64, sort of least 0.56, which for the most part is very huge. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, October 25. Cost $0.58, for the most part greatest 0.62, by and large least 0.54 in a by and large huge manner. Theta conjecture on Thursday, October 26. Cost $0.62, by and large most extreme 0.66, especially least 0.58. Theta cost expectation on Friday, October 27. Cost $0.63, by and large greatest 0.67, essentially least 0.59, or so they truly thought. In 3 weeks Theta conjecture on Monday, October 30. Cost $0.62, truly greatest 0.66, by and large least 0.58, or so they generally thought. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, October 31. Cost $0.60, beautiful greatest 0.64, by and large least 0.56, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Theta estimate on Wednesday, November 1. Cost $0.61, really greatest 0.65, sort of least 0.57 in a significant way. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, November 2. Cost $0.61, greatest 0.65, extremely least 0.57, showing that the change most certainly was 0.0000%, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta gauge on Friday, November 3. Cost $0.59, truly greatest 0.63, kind of least 0.55, which truly is very huge. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, November 6. Cost $0.59, genuinely most extreme 0.63, genuinely least 0.55 in a significant way. Theta gauge on Tuesday, November 7. Cost $0.60, genuinely greatest 0.64, exceptionally least 0.56 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to Theta today. United States dollars to Theta conversion scale, genuinely equivalent to 1.6038 coins per $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Today's reach. 1.5943 1.6149, which sort of is very huge. The past day's nearby. 1.6038, so Theta conjecture on Tuesday, October 10. Cost $0.62, especially greatest 0.66, fundamentally least 0.58, which for the most part is very huge. Change for now 0.0000, 0.00% in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Theta cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they thought. Dollar to Theta estimate on Monday, October 9. Cost 1.587 coins, really greatest 1.695, in every practical sense, least 1.493, which by and large is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 1.613 coins, greatest 1.724, in every practical sense, least 1.515 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Theta figure on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 1.639 coins, fundamentally greatest 1.754, kind of least 1.538, so Theta estimate on Friday, November 3. Cost $0.59, most extreme 0.63, beautiful least 0.55 in a huge way. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Thursday, October 12. Cost 1.639 coins, genuinely most extreme 1.754, least 1.538, or so they certainly thought. Dollar to Theta figure on Friday, October 13. Cost 1.754 coins, certainly most extreme 1.887, least 1.639 in an unobtrusive way. And multi-week United States dollars to Theta expectation on Monday, October 16. Cost 1.695 coins, beautiful most extreme 1.818, really least 1.587, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Theta figure on Tuesday, October 17. Cost 1.695 coins, essentially most extreme 1.818, truly least 1.587, showing how Theta cost forecast on Thursday, October 19. Cost $0.60, kind of greatest 0.64, sort of least 0.56 in a genuinely huge manner. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Wednesday, October 18. Cost 1.695 coins, essentially most extreme 1.818, kind of least 1.587 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Theta figure on Thursday, October 19. Cost 1.6